Here's an example of how a flower bed gets taken over while I'm on vacation. After we got back, I started out with other things, and this is the last thing I'm going to try and get weeded after vacation. So let's watch and see which are the weeds and how to pull them up. Okay, not that I know the name of this, but it's definitely a weed. We've seen it before. And you just grab near the bottom and pull it straight up. Get the roots, and then you won't have to worry about it anymore. Same with this thing. This is morning glory. Those are the juvenile leaves there. These are 4 o'clocks. Mirabilis, Marvel of Peru. Yeah, this is lupines that we planted, and it should survive the winter, and I can plant it out front. So let's get some of the rest of this stuff. The reason that I have on long sleeves is because when you're out here like this, after all the rain we've had, there's probably going to be a lot of mosquitoes. So that helps protect somewhat against the mosquitoes. Okay, I just pulled up one of the 4 o'clocks there. I guess it won't be blooming. Okay, it's a lot better than what it was. A lot of the flowers that were planted in here didn't make it just because I let the weeds get so bad.